The Guide is a 1958 novel written in English by the Indian author A. Mulk Raj Anand, B. Khushwant Singh, C. R. K. Narayan, D. Neeraj Chaudhuri. C. R. K. Narayan. The stretch between Mumbai to Goa of western coast of India is known as A. Coromandel Coast, B. Konkan Coast, C. Malabar Coast, D. Kannada Plain. B. Konkan Coast. Which of the following autobiographies is not correctly matched with the concerned cricketer? A. Playing It My Way, V.V.S. Lakshman, B. The Test of My Life, From Cricket to Cancer and Back, Yuvraj Singh, C. Straight from the Heart, Kapil Dev, D. Cricket Delightful, Mushtaq Ali. A. Playing It My Way, V.V.S. Lakshman. What does El Nano refer to? A. Hot water current, B. Pressure water current, C. High air pressure, D. Low air pressure. A. Hot water current. Where was the 13th Hockey India Senior Women's National Hockey Championship held? A. Andhra Pradesh, B. New Delhi, C. Punjab, D. Karnataka. A. Andhra Pradesh. Which article of the Constitution of India provides for a Council of Ministers with the Prime Minister at the head to aid and advise the President in the exercise of the President's functions? A. Article 77, B. Article 74, C. Article 71, D. Article 72. B. Article 74. Which of the following is a key objective of microfinance institutions in India? A. Providing loans exclusively to women entrepreneurs. B. Encouraging large-scale industrialization. C. Maximizing profits for shareholders. D. Promoting financial inclusion and poverty alleviation. D. Promoting financial inclusion and poverty alleviation is one of the most important festivals of Kamakhya Temple of Guwahati. It is held every year during the monsoon, mid-June season when the temple is closed for 3 days for tantric rites. A. Ambubachi, B. Bihu, C. Baishagu, D. Meedam Mifi. A. Ambubachi. In which city is the Kamakhya temple situated? A. Dehradun, B. Bhopal, C. Guwahati, D. Indore. C. Guwahati. Which of the following statements best defines a microfinance institution? MFI. A. MFIs are investment firms that cater exclusively to high net worth individuals. B. MFIs are non-profit organizations that provide financial services to low-income individuals and small businesses. C. MFIs are banks that provide loans only to large corporations. D. MFIs are government agencies that regulate the microfinance sector. B. MFIs are non-profit organizations that provide financial services to low-income individuals and small businesses. Mumbai Indians defeated which team to win Women's Premier League in March 2023? A. UP Warriors, B. Royal Challengers, C. Delhi Capitals, D. Gujarat Giants. C. Delhi Capitals. The Sungi Mukhavde dance celebrates the victory of truth over falsehood. The name of the dance is derived from the 2 lion masks worn by 2 dancers who represent Narsimha, an aspect of Lord Vishnu. A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Jharkhand, C. Maharashtra, D. Gujarat. C. Maharashtra. Who among the following is best known for creating a fusion style of dance by adapting European theatrical techniques to Indian classical dance? A. Yamini Krishnamurti, B. Uday Shankar, C. Gopi Krishna, D. Sonal Mansingh. B. Uday Shankar. Where was the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association founded in 1928? A. Kanpur, B. Amritsar, C. Lucknow, D. Delhi. D. Delhi. Which process is sometimes called reduction division because it reduces the number of chromosomes to half the normal number to form sperm and eggs? A. Amidosis, B. Meiosis, C. Cytokinesis, D. Karyokinesis. B. Meiosis. Which chemical element with atomic number 35 has a dark reddish-brown liquid with a burning pungent odor? A. Tennessine, B. Chlorine, C. Astatine, D. Bromine. D. Bromine. In which year did Pakistan win the Kabaddi Circle Style World Cup? A. 2016, B. 2014, C. 2020, D. 2013. C. 2020. The North-South Corridor, which is a part of the Golden Quadrilateral Superhighways, links which 2 cities of India from the following? A. Delhi and Chennai, B. Leh and Chennai, C. Jammu and Kanyakumari, D. Srinagar and Kanyakumari. D. Srinagar and Kanyakumari. For which community was a journal Rast Gofter started for the purpose of social religious reforms? A. Sikhs, B. Muslim, C. Parsis, D. Hindu. C. Parsis. 26th January was selected as the date of the inauguration of the Constitution because on the same date in 1930, the Indian National Congress had rebelled. A. Quit India Movement, B. Purna Swaraj Movement, C. Namak Satyagraha, D. Khilafat Movement. B. Purna Swaraj Movement. What is the name of the scheme launched by Uttar Pradesh government to boost milk production? A. Nand Baba Milk Mission. B. Gokul Milk Mission. C. Krishna Balram Milk Mission. D. Govaras Mission. A. Nand Baba Milk Mission. What is the source of directive principles of state policy? A. The Instrument of Instructions from GOI Act 1919. B. The Instrument of Instructions from GOI Act 1935. C. The Instrument of Instructions from GOI Act 1909. D. The Instrument of Instructions from GOI Act 1947. B. The Instrument of Instructions from GOI Act 1935. How many classical dance forms does the Sangeet Natak Akademi in India officially recognize as of August 2021? A. 9. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. D. 8. According to the Human Development Report 2021-22, what is the rank of India among 191 countries? A. 117. B. 180. C. 148. D. 132. D. 132. Which Indian musical legend is credited with composing talas such as Trimukhi, Panchamukhi, Saptamukhi and Navamukhi? A. M. Balamurali Krishna. B. Bade Ghulam Ali Khan. C. K. J. Yesudas. D. Pandit Jasraj. A. M. Balamurali Krishna.